Hello League Band 97 and
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a
couple more
god never
sisters of her
changed.
that I breed with him. Yeah, so I just sold this rooster right here. One of my McRaes. Somebody stepped up and paid the price. Got himself a nice huge stag here. Robello League Band 97 and Wing Band 99. Good luck to you, my brother. Thank you for your trust. Be sending them out this morning. Aloha. Here we go, putting them to work. This right here is that rooster's mother and father. You see where he gets it. This is a McRae hen. And with this McRae rooster. This rooster never pecked me ever one time. Awesome producer. But if you hear, guys say, you know, they got a rooster that was worth this weight in gold. Well, this would be mine right now. For now, anyway. Hopefully, I know Bachio and he gets sick. But awesome producing rooster for me. This is the combo. I get a couple more sisters of her that I breed with him.